everyone, I am Purnima. Today I am going to tell that making an water level experiment. This indicates water level indicator. This is so I am taking salt water in it and pouring. This will indicate 25% I poured water and indicates first slide. First slide indicates 25% water is there. After I am pouring 50% of water and indicates 50% is there. And I poured full of water and it is time to overflow in it, and alarm also will be glowing.
Hi, I am Geetika Ramesh of grade 11 and I am here to demonstrate the experiment dancing flame. So I have copper sulfate here. So I am adding copper sulfate, and to this I am adding dilute hydrochloric acid. So this is already prepared mixture of dilute hydrochloric acid and copper sulfate. To this solution I will be adding aluminium foil that we usually use for food wrapping. So as I add it, we could see small bubbles coming and even hydrogen gas evolving. So as I light the flame, if you listen closely, we could hear a pop sound. It is a confirmation test for hydrogen gas, and also this airy blue color flame is due to copper sulfate crystals. And here aluminium foil that I have used is highly reactive than hydrogen, which displaces hydrochloric acid and evolves the hydrogen gas, through which hydrogen gas is evolved, and thus the pop sound indicates that hydrogen gas is evolved. And this shows this is the dancing flame, and to this what we are telling is even a small aluminium foil is highly and it is chemically rich. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kritika of class 11A1. So today we are going to see about rainbow fire experiment. So first we are going to take different metal salts. First we are going to take CuSO4. Next, potassium nitrate, then barium chloride and potassium bicarbonate. Potassium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. Now we are going to add ethanol as a fuel to all these salts. We are adding this because the salts cannot burn on their own without any fuel. So now we can see each salt burns with different color. Here potassium nitrate gives purple color flame, copper sulfate gives green color flame, sodium bicarbonate gives orange flame, and barium chloride gives yellow flame. So here we can see all these colors in our fireworks too. So our fireworks are composed of these chemicals, so which act as a color when we see them in the sky. So fireworks have this basic mechanism behind them. Thank you.
So my name is G. Hiranmay of class 11A1. So today I'll be explaining on the topic indigo fabric dyeing. So most of the youngsters nowadays wear jeans. So how are these jeans being dyed? Have you ever wondered why these jeans are blue in color? Well, this is because they use a pigmented color, that is indigo. So we will be having these ingredients, that is indigo, glucose and drain cleaner. So first we will be adding indigo to hot water. But why are we adding glucose and drain cleaner? Because we only need a blue stain. It is because indigo is normally insoluble in water. In order to be soluble, we will add drain cleaner as well as glucose. So when we add all these, we will get orange colored solution like this, and thus the indigo gets soluble in this.
Good afternoon everyone. So today as she said before, we had made a solution for indigo fabric dyeing experiment. So this solution contains indigo, glucose and drying cleaner, and these solutions are all diluted in hot water. So now this solution results in orange in color. So now I am going to proceed with the fabric dyeing experiment. So I have a white piece of cloth. So I am going to dip this cloth in this solution. So after few seconds, I am taking this out.
Hi, my name is Deekshni of class 11A1. Is here to present you a topic on the ecological problem, ocean acidification. This is not that common as global warming, but everyone must have to know. So the carbon dioxide that is released from the factories and vehicles is mixing with the water of the ocean. The carbon dioxide and water H2O results in the acidified form, which results in the acid. So the pH of the water is neutral or basic, that is 7. And the pH of the acidic form, this is the acidic form, it is 5 to 6.
So as the ocean becomes acidic, it is going to dissolve the shells beneath it. Like we have so much of shell forming animals in the ocean, it is going to gradually dissolve the shell, which is made up of calcium carbonate, which is basically basic. So as it dissolves, we may think it is a simple problem. Why I am making it so much prominent? It is not simple. Within this middle of this century, all these corals is going to be destroyed. We can say it can even become extinct because this shell is something which protects them. And you may wonder what's so big in this marine organism. They are the foundation for the food web. Food web is something which is important for all the living organism in the world, because this only is going to balance our environment, or else our ecological balance will disturb. So we have heard much about the global warming and other types of ecological problem, but this ocean acidification is something new to us, which we must have awareness. Or this small problem could have a major effect in our future, which can affect our future generations. So as a younger generation, we like to produce some awareness about this ocean acidification for our future wellness. We have so much of alternation for reducing the CO2 pollutions, like geothermal engineering, and also we can use vehicles which uses H2 as fuel and electricity as fuel, that could reduces the release of CO2 and hence can eventually help us. So let us hope for a good future, and as a younger generation we need to promote other kind of alternative which reduces CO2 pollution. Thank you.